Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy flower. So let's get started. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join in the first stitch, and that will form a ring. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet in the ring. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet in the ring. Repeat to make 5 loops in the ring. Okay, I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops in the ring. In each loop, this is how you will form your petal. Single crochet in the loop. Chain 1. Double crochet, yarn around the hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 1. Now make 4 triple crochet in that same loop. So for triple crochet, yarn around the hook 2 times, pull the yarn through, now pull the yarn through 2, pull the yarn through 2, and pull the yarn through 2, chain 1, triple crochet. Chain 1, triple crochet, chain 1, triple crochet. So you have a single, double, triple, 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 triple with a chain 1 space between each one. So chain 1, double, chain 1, single, and that's how you'll make each one of the petals. And you'll just continue that, and you'll repeat that in each one of those chain 1 loops, and you'll have 5 petals in your flower, and then you can fasten off and sew a button or bead in the center. To crochet the leaves, I'll use the same pattern as my heart pattern. Start with a slip knot, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join. Chain 2. Makes 5 double crochet in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch into the last double crochet. Make 5 double crochet in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 2, 1, 2. Slip stitch in the ring and fasten off, and there's the leaf. And that's how easy it is to make this crochet flower and leaves. To make a wreath, cut a circle from cardboard and hot glue your flowers onto the cardboard. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.